Welcome back, my friends. Have you ever stumbled upon something so incredible that you just got to shout into the world? Yeah, that's Liebherr and that's Felix as well. I'm very excited to be here right now because the history, the story, the growth, all inspiring and worth talking about. So I have Felix because we're going to talk about 75 years of awesome German engineering and gear cutting, which I admire. Now, in my manufacturing career, I never got to do gear cutting. I machined a lot of things, ran over 100 machines, programmed hundreds of machines, but never gear cutting. So I admire you folks out there. So let's talk, Felix, about Liebherr and the history, the story, and the continued growth.
Yeah, we're celebrating 75 years of the Liebherr Group this year. We have 11 different divisions, but I work for our Gear and Automation Technology division. We're making gear machines since the 1950s and automation equipment for 40 years now.
That's incredible, absolutely incredible. I want to talk about when we connect, we're here in the USA right now. You have a home here in the USA. Yes. Obviously you have German background, so I say Dankeschön for being here as well. I also say the occasional Prost also. But while we're doing that, let's talk about the expansion that you have. You just opened a place in April down in Mexico, in my favorite city, Querétaro, that's away from the beach. Let's talk about the expansion as well.
Yeah, so first of all, our location here in the US is in Saline, Michigan. We have a sales and service office. But we just opened an office in Mexico, in Querétaro, to support our local customers in Mexico, for Mexico. Sales and service office, all local in Mexico.
What I want to learn now and share with the audience is just pull on those heartstrings just a hair. When we work with people, we want to trust them. We want honesty. We want transparency. We want authenticity when we're trying to find a partner that's going to help us succeed, not just now, but for our children and grandchildren as well. Let's talk about the human aspect of what Liebherr brings to the table.
I mean, it's a family business, first of all. Myself, I'm 16 years with Liebherr. I started with the apprenticeship, and you're really being brought into the family, and so there's a lot of family feeling, great company, there's contact to the family members, the shareholders of the company, and we're supporting all the employees, and you're being brought up in the company. But for us at Liebherr Gear and Automation Technologies, we're the one shop, gear machines, the process, the gear cutting tools, and the automation solutions.
Well, you've already been down to Florida, my hometown as well, so you are family to MTDCNC and myself, Felix. Thank you so much for being here. For everyone watching right now, manufacturing is an incredible industry. However, as incredible as it is, we cannot make more time. It's the one thing we cannot manufacture more of. So if you are spending time with us today, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. This is Liebherr. Give them a call. If you're in the gear cutting world, this could be the answer to all of your headaches.